Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Today I want to show you how I make this tinga de pollo. If this is the first time that you are watching my videos, don't forget to subscribe and like. If you want to know how to make this, I will show you how. I will be using 1.5 pieces of chicken breast. Here I have a piece of onion, 2 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of oregano, and 2 laurel. In this pot, I have added some water and let it come to a boil. Once it's at a boil, I'm going to add in my chicken along with the garlic, the laurel, the oregano, and the onion. And I'm going to just cook this until it's cooked, and I will be shredding it after. So for the sauce, I'm using 4 Roma tomatoes, 2 garlic cloves. I will be using 2 chipotle peppers and some puree de tomate. And here I have 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. And this I will be using to fry and some chicken bouillon. So in this pot, I have added some water, let it come to a boil, and I am going to be adding in the tomato and cooking this until they are soft. Once they have softened, I will be removing it and letting it cool slightly before I start blending it. Once it has cooled, I will be adding the tomato to my NutriBullet. You can use a regular blender if you like. And I'll be adding the garlic, the salt, the chipotle peppers, and I will be also adding in some of the chipotle sauce. Adding in my puree de tomate, which is tomato puree. Really pureed. So in this pot, I will be adding in some olive oil. You can use any oil that you like. I like to cook with olive oil. I'm going to let this heat up, and I'll be adding in the onion. I'll be cooking this until it has softened and is translucent. This will take maybe about 5 minutes. And once that has cooked and is soft and translucent, I'll be adding in the sauce that was blended, just giving it a little mix. Then adding some pepper. And the chicken knorr. Now remember to add to your liking. And I'm going to stir this for about 3 to 5 minutes. And then I'm adding in my shredded chicken. And I'm going to make sure that this all gets covered with that sauce. And I'll be cooking this for 5 minutes, and your tinga is done. I hope you all enjoyed my video, and don't forget to share and leave a nice comment. And this is how I prepare my tostada. So I add some guacamole. You can just dice the avocados and add it to the top. I actually like it this way. And then I'm adding the chicken with the sauce on top, the lettuce, some crema. You can use plain sour cream, and some cotija cheese. Enjoy, everybody. This is delicious. We'll see you next time. Bye.